Today we're going to talk about gadgets, specifically smartphones that are not yet available here in the Philippines. I'll start things off with two phones that I have in front of me, and then we will have a very special guest who will show two devices that I'm going to see for the first time. One is an amazingly small smartphone that will just blow your mind, and another one is some sort of like transforming dual screen device that will equally impress you guys. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. Why? Because we are giving away a POWERBEATS Pro. So this is one of the best true wireless active earphones that you guys can pick up. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, join our Facebook community. The rest of the details of the mechanics listed down below in the description box. What's up? So the first smartphone I'd like to show you guys, and this is fresh from Munich, Germany. Jamie and the guys from Unbox actually brought it back. This is the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Now this device, a lot of people are calling it in one of our videos, the one that got away, the best flagship that could have been, mainly because it's pretty much, it's kind of hard to ignore the fact that it won't ship with Google services. However, it is really a breathtaking, stunning device, from design to the look, to the capabilities of the camera, to the internals. It's just really, man, I mean, the frustration of wanting to give it that 10 out of 10 go buy it signal is just really there. But hey, if you're looking for an amazing smartphone, an amazing camera that happens to have a smartphone, then this is probably one of the best devices that you guys can pick up. No word yet on the local launch as well as local pricing. But I mean, seriously guys, tingnan nyo naman, oh. Ang ganda talaga eh. Really one of the best design smartphones that I've seen for the year. Next, we have this one, which I think is coming out soon here in the Philippines. This is the Asus Republic of Gamers, or ROG Phone 2. It comes in that massive luggage case that we did an unboxing on, with all of the accessories that you can buy, from a gaming pad to a dock to some sort of kunai that will turn it into a Nintendo Switch lookalike, which allows you to enjoy all of the games that you would want to play, from Mobile Legends to PUBG, Fortnite, Marvel Future Alliance, Clash of Clans kung may naglalaro pa noon, and Candy Crush if that's your thing. So any game that you guys play would run amazingly well on this device. And I've heard from the pricing, I think it's selling for like what, 42? That's a killer price for this phone. I mean, if you are a gamer, especially with all of the people hooked on Mobile Legends these days, at least you have a phone to target. The smartphone built for gamers. Sabihin ko sana by gamers, but Razer will kill me. The Asus ROG Phone 2. And that's it for me. So these are like two devices that have yet to release. So watch out for the releases if they do come out here in the Philippines. Now I have a very special guest that I want to introduce you guys to. I did a feature of her where we had like a trailer of her. May trailer! Ikaw lang ang YouTuber na may trailer na kilala ko. So I actually played a trailer of her on the channel a few, I think, weeks back. She was actually in the US or in some part of the world back then. So she'll be showing us two gadgets that she picked up recently in her travels. Guys, let's all welcome Isa from Isa Does Tech. Boom!
Hi guys!
The girl with the pink hair.
Yes.
Diba? So Isa, maybe you can, before anything, maybe you can do a quick introduction of yourself,
Yes.
your background, and why you're into tech.
So, hi, I'm Isa. I do tech videos. I do a lot of lifestyle stuff. So it's not really just tech with specs and all that. It's more of case and real life use scenarios, and also a lot of things that girls or lifestyle users want, because I've realized that what girls want necessarily
Not necessarily what men want. Look
exactly.
for gadgets. That's so true.
Yeah, so that's basically the thrust of my content. I also do a lot of coverage and traveling, just so I can see what else is out there in the world.
So make sure to check her channel out. The giveaway that I mentioned earlier with the POWERBEATS Pro, you have to subscribe to her, to Mary, to Unbox, and of course to this channel. So with that out of the way, sis! So we got sis! Kasi usually I say bro, this is a sneaker channel primarily, so I usually say bro, show the shoes, diba? So maybe you can show the goods.
Which one do you want to do first?
Let's start with the small phone,
Okay.
because when they showed it, when I saw it earlier, my mouth literally dropped because it looks such like a crazy ass phone.
Because it's such a nice thing. So this, if
with
you
the
can
case
see it,
from
it's such a
Kate
pretty
Spade.
thing. And this is a legit branded clutch from Kate Spade. So
See,
think
they call
about
it a clutch. I call it a case.
It's a clutch. Think about it. If you go to the bar and you party, you just have this. But
Well, men do not party with dangling stuff on their wrists.
yeah, but the thing is, so before I show the phone, the thing is, it's not just Kate Spade. They have so many partnerships with so many brands. They have sports partnerships and everything. So this phone,
May Louis Vuitton ba?
I don't
Si
know.
Huawei
that.
meron. Wow,
That's
Huawei,
true.
baka naman. Ano yan?
No, but like some of them, they have necklaces. That's a case. They have a runner
necklace with the phone?
for this one, and then they have a runner sleeve for the phone. But so before anything else, let's
But that's
show you
makeup.
is an actual phone.
So it's a full, does it run Android?
Phone. It's not, it has a different OS. It's a very simplified one, but it has a camera. It has a selfie camera.
Maybe you can take it out of the case so
Yeah.
they get a better
Sige,
appreciation.
sige.
So guys, if I hold it in my hand, it's like a magic trick. It disappears. It's that small.
Here.
Diba? So for example, phone, no phone. So it's
Yeah.
that small, OMG.
So this is designed for you to bring around on days na you don't really want to bring anything or you're trying to get away from life because it has what you call no really because it has what you call a life mode. So that means when the phone is locked, you won't get notifications. So the whole thrust of the Palm phone is that it wants you to focus on real life, but it recognizes that you still need all the features. So this has a SIM card, you can download your app. It has Google Play Store.
Nice.
So
Something that anyway.
So
Huawei, I love you.
Yeah. There's even, you know what I love? There's even beauty mode on the selfie camera.
So
Even
it's really
iPhone
made
doesn't
for
have
that.
Yeah,
no?
it's really made for
How
that.
much does it sell for?
I think it's around $300, and in the
Around
US,
15.
yeah, in the US they have special plans like data light plans for this. Kasi of course it recognizes nga that you'd want to get just notifications, you're not really gonna work on it, ganyan.
Do you think this will sell in the Philippines?
It really depends. You know naman how people are like, in the Philippines, the market is different eh. You
Yeah.
have phones, you have full-on phones that cost that
When
much.
people look at that, they'll think, Mobile Legends pa ako dyan.
You know, I haven't tried. Maybe we should.
Oh, I think that would go viral. Like
Yeah.
Mobile Legends on this device, diba?
It's super awesome.
So you
right?
picked this up in the US.
I picked this up in the US. Yes.
Nice.
And then.
So while she's getting the second gadget, guys, let me know if you think that they should sell it here in the Philippines. Would you buy it? How much? Would love to hear from you in the comment section.
Yes. Okay, the second one is this thing.
This got me really
Yeah.
intrigued.
So, okay, it looks like a block of something. But if you open it up.
Ba-bam!
So, what's interesting about this is that since there are two screens, it looks legit, right? But it's actually a case.
Ang last mandaya eh.
No, kasi
So it's
sabi
not
nila,
a real folding phone per se.
It's the best of both worlds. So this is the LG V50 ThinQ with their special LG dual screen case.
You know what's sad? Before you get into the phone, LG has always been trying to pioneer new stuff. From the, but they made the phone that you can disassemble. I forgot what that was called.
G5.
Yeah.
The G5. They had the phone. Sila yung one of the first that put the fingerprint sensor at the back, and that just made so much sense. So I'm glad to see that they're still doing
Yeah.
stuff like this. Sad
So,
that we don't get to see them often in the
That's
Philippines.
true. But this is such an awesome device because, I mean, if you can't commit, you know
To
how.
what?
If you can't commit to a certain form factor, if you're the type of person who
Na may
can't decide
commitment
on
issues.
one, you have a phone whenever you want the phone.
Di para
You
sa
have a
akin to.
folding phone.
Nah!
There you go. But yun nga, actually they launched an even newer one in Berlin. I got to try
A new
it out.
version of this?
Yes, the newer version even has an OLED screen in front.
Damn.
It's galing, it's awesome, it's such a fun device. And in today's time kasi na very, what is the word, homogeneous yung mga lumalabas. Parang a
They
lot
all
of
look
them
the
are
same.
alike, yeah.
Yeah.
This is such a fun thing. But it's also not $2,000 like the folding phones that we have in the market. Right?
Yeah, so you get that folding phone experience without having to pay the premium that
Yes.
it currently has.
And actually, this is a 5G phone.
Oh, it is?
Yes, it is. There's a light
Oh.
in the back that says 5G pag nakasaksa.
V50 ThinQ.
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 Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Visit-
You're welcome.
Wow. Okay, do you think this will sell in the Philippines?
I think so. Actually, I've had
Yeah,
like a lot of people ask me about it. And you know, this thing is very useful. Imagine me typing because you can pull the keyboard here and then it has a dedicated gamepad for games.
So if you want to play like this,
Yeah, pwede.
oh, actually maraming matutuwang
Yeah.
Mobile Legends people here. What's the SRP?
I'm not sure actually because it's only in Korea. So nagbabago-bago siya eh. Even in the US, it's hard to get your hands on this.
So, but guys, it gives you a glimpse of what you can expect. I think ultimately that's what you will see more in the coming months, in the coming weeks. Next year, you'll see a lot of those foldable phones.
Yeah.
No, and it's exciting how Apple will eventually take a look at that and how to do their own take, or if they will even do their own take.
That's
true. Diba, on that one. So that said, guys, make sure that you subscribe to Isa's channel. We are giving away that POWERBEATS Pro thing, but more than the giveaway, I think this was a great way for me to introduce the type of content that you can expect from her, the type of articulation with her passion for tech. So it's really there. So make sure that you subscribe to her, check her content out. And yeah, when you're there, mag-comment kayo doon, sabihin mo,
Yes.
Carlo sent you.
Yes! And then I'll be like, hey!
Oh. Patay tayo dyan. Okay, that's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.